Alright guys, it's X over here, and today I'll be showing you how to crack zip passwords, right? Yeah, so when you download a file from the internet and then it's zipped with a password, you can just crack the password and then continue with whatever you want to do with the files. Yeah, so there's a tool called Jump the Ripper, right? It's a password cracking tool. It works on Windows. It also works on Linux. Yeah, so with Windows, you can just go and search for something like John Ripper download for Windows. You find it over there and just download. And with Linux, it's mostly installed with it, so you just go straight. So first, you go into your terminal, right? Yeah, no, not this one. I've really large my terminal, so yeah. And then you navigate to the location where you have your files, right? Yeah. So over here, I have it in my Kali folder, right? Yeah. So that's a Kali user. So when I check, yeah, this is the zip file that I want to crack, right? So it has a password on it. So to see the password, let's try unzipping it and see extract here. It's ask for a password. Let me enter any random password. Okay, no, wrong password. Okay, so it's wrong, so it didn't work. So we're going to crack this, right? So yeah, first you have to run this command zip to join. It's part of John the Ripper, but it's meant for zip password, right? So zip to join and then the name of the zip file. So pass www.zip. Yeah, it's give me this hash, right? So this hash is what we are going to crack. So what we do is we redirect this output into a file, right? So we later crack it. So zip to join zip secret password.zip, and then the name of the file, whatever name that you want. So our name is hash.txt. Done. Now when I check the contents of my directory, you can see hash.txt over here. So if I want to see what's inside the hash.txt, you see it's the same thing, right? So we are going to use John the Ripper to crack this, right, to find the password. So John hash.txt, and then you wait for some time, depending on your word list, right? You can specify a custom word list. So the word list determines the speed of your cracking, and how complex the password is also determines the speed. So as you can see here, it's done, and over here is the password. So it's using the default word list that is normally given to John the Ripper, which is password.lst in this directory. Yeah, so there's the password 1 2 3 4. Okay, so let's confirm if that's actually the password. Alright, so extract here. No, let's not extract here. Extract. Oh yeah, let me extract it over here. So yep. Okay, extract here. So extract here, and let me enter the 1 2 3 4. Alright. Yep. And you can see secret pass wd. Where is it? Yeah. In the secret pass wd, yeah, there is a folder called secrets, and since this is it, so secrets.txt, let's see what's inside. Alright, so this is the content, right? So those are my passwords. You can try them out, and yeah, I'm sure they work. So yeah. Alright, so as you can see, we finished cracking, and then these are the content. Okay, so normally when you download files that are usually password protected, which are zipped, right, you can use this method to crack the password. As simple as that. Yeah. Alright, so thank you. See you in the next video.